Want to know the top performing stock market investments of 2025? In this video, we'll dive into the best stock market investments that are expected to dominate the market in 2025. From tech giants to emerging industries, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is for you. Get ready to take your investment portfolio to the next level and stay ahead of the curve. In 2025, navigating the market is more relevant than ever, with technological breakthroughs, sustainability initiatives, and shifting consumer behaviors shaping new opportunities. Major challenge is choosing the right sectors to invest in. With so many industries vying for attention, from emerging technologies to traditional staples, identifying sectors with real growth potential can feel overwhelming. Investors often struggle to separate trends with lasting power from short-lived fads, making research and informed decision-making crucial. Balancing risk and reward is yet another concern. While high-growth opportunities in sectors like AI, green energy, or biotech are tempting, they often come with increased volatility. On the other hand, safer investments like dividend stocks or index funds may not deliver the high returns our investors seek. The best stock market investments for 2025 will depend on market trends, economic conditions, and personal financial goals. AI and technology companies, particularly those involved in artificial intelligence, semiconductor production, and automation, are expected to thrive. Green energy and electric vehicle sectors are poised for growth as global efforts towards sustainability continue to expand. Healthcare and biotech industries show promise, driven by aging populations and advancements in medical technology. Consumer staples and e-commerce platforms remain strong options, offering resilience during market volatility. Dividend aristocrats, known for their consistent and growing dividends, can provide stability and steady returns. Exchange-traded funds and index funds are excellent choices for diversification, offering exposure to broad markets or specific sectors. Companies focusing on metaverse development, virtual reality, and blockchain technologies may also present significant growth opportunities. The healthcare and biotech industries are ripe with opportunity, fueled by aging populations and groundbreaking medical innovations. For 2025, the key to success lies in diversification, diligent research, and a long-term focus to ride the wave of market expansion and emerging trends. Which sector will you explore first? As the global economy continues to evolve, stock market investments remain a powerful tool for building wealth and securing financial freedom. Investment options for 2025 are abundant, with several sectors offering compelling growth opportunities driven by technological advancements, global sustainability goals, and expanding markets. With AI adoption becoming mainstream and demand for data processing skyrocketing, leaders like Nvidia and Microsoft, alongside emerging startups, are poised for significant gains. Sustainability continues to dominate global agendas, making green energy a hot investment area. Tesla and NextEra Energy, for example, represent opportunities within this rapidly growing sector. Companies involved in solar, wind, and hydrogen power, as well as electric vehicle manufacturers, are benefiting from increasing government incentives and consumer demand. Healthcare and biotechnology offer strong potential due to aging populations and a focus on innovation. Breakthroughs in personalized medicine, gene therapy, and medical devices are creating lucrative opportunities. Companies like Moderna, and smaller biotech firms working on cutting-edge treatments are expected to shine in 2025. As economies in regions like Asia, Africa, and South America continue to expand, emerging markets present exciting opportunities. Investments in infrastructure, technology, and consumer goods in these regions are expected to yield high returns as they experience rapid growth and urbanization. For investors seeking consistent returns, dividend-paying stocks are an appealing option. Companies with a history of reliable payouts, such as Procter & Gamble and Coca-Cola, provide stability while still offering room for modest growth. The metaverse and blockchain technologies represent high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Companies involved in virtual reality, augmented reality, and decentralized platforms are at the forefront of this digital revolution. Meta platforms and blockchain-focused startups are potential players in this emerging space. Diversifying across these sectors while aligning investments with personal financial goals and risk tolerance can help investors maximize returns and navigate the challenges of 2025 effectively. As a leader in AI and semiconductor technology, NVIDIA is at the forefront of powering advancements in machine learning, gaming, and data centers. Its dominance in GPUs and growing focus on AI applications position it for continued growth. Tesla remains a standout in the electric vehicle sector, with a growing product line and leadership in EV technology. Its focus on energy storage and solar solutions further strengthens its position as a green energy powerhouse. Microsoft's investments in AI, cloud computing, and enterprise software continue to drive its market leadership. Its integration of AI into widely used platforms like Office and Azure ensures long-term relevance and growth. This renewable energy giant stands out for its extensive investments in solar and wind power. As the world accelerates its transition to clean energy, NextEra Energy is well positioned to benefit from increasing demand. Amazon's dominance in e-commerce and cloud computing ensures its growth remains robust. With ongoing expansions into logistics, healthcare, and AI-driven solutions, the company continues to innovate across multiple sectors. In the healthcare sector, Pfizer's focus on vaccine development, oncology, and gene therapy keeps it at the forefront of medical innovation. Its strong pipeline of new drugs offers promising potential for 2025 and beyond. For a diversified approach to high-growth sectors, ARK Innovation ETF offers exposure to cutting-edge industries such as AI, genomics, and fintech. Managed by Cathie Wood, this ETF targets companies driving the future of technology. These investment picks stand out for their strong market positions, innovative strategies, and alignment with key global trends. Research and diversification are essential for maximizing returns while managing risk. Diversifying your portfolio, conducting thorough research, and maintaining a long-term focus are key strategies for making sound investments in 2025. What are your thoughts on the best stock market investments for 2025? Share your ideas and predictions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your insights.